Japan, the land of the rising sun, where ancient traditions meet modern marvels. Japan is a country of contrasts like no other nation can be. Here you can indulge in a wide range of experiences, ranging from serene natural landscapes and the spiritual tranquility of Zen temples to bustling urban life and the world-renowned Japanese cuisine. Konnichiwa. Let us explore the wonders of Japan together, shall we? As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join us on more adventures if you like our video. Let's dive into the heart of Japan, starting with the timeless beauty of Kyoto. Kyoto, a city where every corner whispers tales of ancient Japan. Renowned for its stunning temples, sacred shrines, and traditional tea houses, Kyoto offers an unparalleled journey into Japan's spiritual and cultural heritage. Start the journey through Kyoto with the Fushimi Inari Taisha Shrine. Famous for its thousands of vermilion torii gates, this shrine's mesmerizing path leads up to Mount Inari. Walking through these gates feels like stepping into another world, where the vibrant red hues contrast with the surrounding greenery, creating a serene and almost otherworldly atmosphere. Kinkakuji, famously known as the Golden Pavilion, is a serene Zen temple, draped in gold leaf. Its tranquil setting, surrounded by meticulously manicured Japanese Zen gardens, makes it a symbol of peace and harmony. A stroll through the enchanting Arashiyama bamboo grove is a must-do when in Kyoto. In this beautiful grove, towering stalks sway gently in the wind, creating a harmonious dance that soothes the eyes. The dappled sunlight filtering through the dense canopy evokes a sense of calm and connection with nature. Perched on the edge of a hill, Kiyomizu-dera is a temple that offers breathtaking views of Kyoto from its wooden stage, which seems to float above the forest below. This iconic temple is not just a marvel of architecture, but also a place of deep spiritual significance to the locals. Tokyo, Japan's vibrant capital, is a dazzling metropolis with futuristic skyscrapers and buzzing urban centers. Alongside these are ancient temples framed by its cherry blossom natural beauty. It's a city of endless contrasts. Rising majestically at 634 meters and dominating the city's skyline is the Tokyo Skytree. This tower looks particularly magical during late evenings and at night. From its observation decks, you can enjoy breathtaking panoramic views that stretch as far as Mount Fuji on clear days. Shibuya Crossing is the world's busiest pedestrian intersection. This crossing stops vehicles in all directions to allow as many as 3,000 pedestrians to inundate the entire intersection. Just steps away, pay tribute to the loyal dog Hachiko at his memorial statue, the Hachiko Memorial. It is a beloved Tokyo landmark further immortalized in the 2009 Richard Gere movie of the same name. Tokyo's oldest and most revered temple, Sensoji, stands as a vibrant testament to the city's rich history. It's a reminder that Tokyo is more than just an urban center. Its atmosphere, fragrant with the scent of incense and alive with the sounds of prayers, blends seamlessly with the lively energy of the surrounding Asakusa district. No journey to Japan is complete without witnessing the awe-inspiring majesty of Mount Fuji, the nation's tallest and most iconic peak. Mount Fuji, standing at 3,776 meters, is Japan's highest peak and a symbol of national pride. Every year, adventurers from around the world attempt to climb this mountain, usually to witness the beautiful sunrise at the summit. Shiraito Falls are among Japan's most beautiful natural wonders. These falls are fed by Mount Fuji's natural volcanic springs. The waters of the Shiraito Falls cascades gracefully over 150 meters, creating a curtain of water that sparkles in the sunlight. Chureito Pagoda is an iconic 5-story pagoda set against the backdrop of Mount Fuji, offers one of the most breathtaking views in Japan. Whether framed by cherry blossoms in spring or vibrant leaves in autumn, the sight of this pagoda is simply unforgettable. Osaka. a city that pulses with energy, is known for its lively nightlife, mouth-watering street food, and friendly, vibrant atmosphere. Dotonbori is arguably the most famous and liveliest region of Osaka. Neon-lit towers rise on both sides of a canal that runs through this city and reflect off its waters, creating a dazzling display that epitomizes Osaka's vibrant spirit. This district is also a food lover's paradise, offering everything from savory takoyaki to sizzling okonomiyaki, each bite a taste of Osaka's culinary heart. A proud symbol of Osaka is the historic Osaka Castle. It is surrounded by vast gardens that burst into shades of soft pink color during cherry blossom season. The castle's imposing structure and tranquil moat make it a must-visit for culture and history enthusiasts. From Osaka, plan a day trip to Nara Park, famous for the friendly deer that roam all about the park and accept food from visitors. It is also famous for being home to many ancient shrines and temples. Here in Nara, you'll find a serene escape steeped in history and natural beauty. Hiroshima, a city scarred by historic tragedy and characterized by resilience, offers a poignant look at the past while embracing a hopeful future. Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park is a solemn reminder of the devastating impact of the atomic bomb that ripped through this city. The Peace Memorial Museum, Atomic Bomb Dome, and Children's Peace Monument collectively convey a powerful message of peace and hope for a nuclear-free world. Here, the visitors can also participate in folding origami cranes, symbolizing peace and healing. The Hiroshima Castle, also known as Carp Castle, is a historic site that offers a glimpse into Hiroshima's samurai past. This reconstructed castle, surrounded by moats and cherry trees, is a symbol of the city's resilience and warrior spirit. Miyajima Island is considered one of Japan's most scenic spots. It is most known for the iconic Itsukushima Shrine, with its famous floating torii gate. The island's lush forests, ancient temples, and friendly deer create a tranquil and spiritual atmosphere, inviting serenity and spiritual contemplation. Nestled in the verdant hills of Hiroshima, Mitaki-dera is a serene Buddhist temple, renowned for its tranquil beauty and lush surroundings. This temple is dedicated to Kannon, the goddess of mercy. The name Mitaki translates to 3 waterfalls, aptly describing the picturesque waterfalls within the temple grounds that add to the serene ambiance. With that, we come to the end of the journey through Japan. If you loved the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more travel content, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Leave your comments below and tell us which part of Japan you liked best. Until next time, sayonara!